Good morning, NAB Finance Control Group. Can I call you that? All right, good. How's everyone doing? Good, good. Well, I'm Seth, Greenwald, and we have an hour together. And I have a lot of stuff to tell you. So if you don't mind, I'm going to dispense with the small talk and just jump in. Is that all right? Just jump in? All right, you'll get to know me. Don't worry about it. All right, so there's 3 questions. By a show of hands, how many people recently have given a presentation, a briefing to their boss? Maybe they led a meeting here at PepsiCo. How many people recently? All right, good, good. Now, how many people have felt that proverbial butterfly wings in their stomach, you know, kind of scraping your stomach line? Anyone? All right, and how many people would like that proverbial butterfly to kind of fly somewhere outside of your general physical vicinity? Anyone? All right, I think I can help you with that. All right, I can help you with that. I've been a member of Toastmasters for nearly 10 years, and I recently got my DTM, which is Distinguished Toastmaster. And recently, a new member of the club. I have a club down in Manhattan, and a new member came up to me and said, "Hey, Seth, is there a magic pill for public speaking? Is there something that can give me more confidence?" And I'm like, more confidence? You mean like the way that Popeye has his can of spinach? He's like, yeah. Do you mean the way that Superman has his phone booth? Yeah, that's what I want. I'm like, no, there's no magic pill for public speaking, but I think I can help you. First, I want to know how many minutes, how long do you have before your next presentation? I'm asking my friend. And he said, I have like a couple of minutes. I have 2 minutes. I'm like, 2 minutes, that's not a lot. That's not a lot. But I have a story. So sit down, listen to my story, and I think this is